Guys, let's learn about the if statement. If statement is a function that works with a true or false condition. In this video, we would like to learn about the patients that have had their treatments and the patients that haven't. We're going to make reference particularly using the treatment date because in this particular column, patients who have had their treatment have dates in their row, while those who haven't have blanks in their row. So let's get to it. We first of all create a new column. Then we type in the title. We'll give it is treated. Now if, which is in the drop down, you just click it and then make reference of the treatment date. That's if treatment date is not blank. We want it to show us as treated. But if it is blank, this is where we have the false condition now. If it is blank, we say not treated. Close the bracket and go. Here we have it. Is treated is now created as a table in here using the if function. Let's try it out now. For those who are treated, we have it. Everything here has no blank row, while those who are not treated, they will have blank rows. So there we have it. It makes it really easy to be able to filter down to what exactly you need to actually see and make a count on it. If you like this video or this video is giving you value, please click the thumbs up so YouTube can recommend this video to every other person who needs this. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe so you can stay updated to every of my posts or videos on data analytical tools. Catch you in the next class. Bye.